When it comes to keeping heavy-duty engines running at their best, one of the most crucial components is the fuel injection pump. It's not something you see or think about every day, but it's the part that makes sure your engine gets the right amount of fuel at the right time. Without it, performance drops, efficiency suffers, and in the worst case, the engine simply won't run. Here, the spotlight is on the refurbished fuel injection pump with part number 2644P501. Also identified by 0470006003 and 216-9824. This unit is built to work seamlessly with Caterpillar 3056E engines, Perkins 1106C, and the 1106CE 60 Ta. These engines are found in machinery that has to perform under pressure, construction sites, farms, industrial facilities, and more. The injection pump is what keeps them running smoothly, reliably, and efficiently. Choosing a refurbished pump often raises questions. Some people assume new is always better, but in many cases, a properly refurbished unit performs just as well as new while saving you money. These pumps aren't just cleaned and boxed up, they go through a detailed process. They're disassembled, inspected, cleaned thoroughly, worn parts are replaced, seals are changed, and then the entire pump is recalibrated to meet original factory specifications. What you're getting is a component that delivers the same performance as new but at a significantly lower cost. The engineering behind a fuel injection pump is all about precision. It regulates both the pressure and timing of fuel delivery to the engine's combustion chamber. If the timing is off or the pressure isn't right, you'll experience problems like poor fuel efficiency, rough starts, loss of power, or even engine damage over time. When the pump is operating correctly, however, you get reliable starts, smooth operation, reduced emissions, and optimal power output. That's why ensuring this part is in top shape is so important. For Caterpillar and Perkins engines in particular, durability is key. These machines often run long hours in dusty fields, under harsh weather conditions, or on construction sites where downtime can be costly. A fuel injection pump like this one is tested for flow rate, pressure, and long-term durability before being sold. That way, it's ready to handle the demands of tough environments without letting you down. Another reason refurbished pumps make sense is cost efficiency. A new OEM pump can easily cost thousands of dollars. For companies managing fleets of machinery or individuals working with limited budgets, that kind of expense isn't always practical. A refurbished pump offers the same performance but at a fraction of the cost. It helps minimize downtime and ensures equipment keeps working without draining resources. Compatibility is another important factor to get right. This pump is made for Caterpillar 3056E engines, Perkins 1106C engines, and the 1106CE 60 Ta. Always cross-check part numbers and engine models before ordering, but if you're running one of these engines, this pump is designed specifically to meet its requirements. That means you don't have to worry about fitment issues or mismatched performance. When installed properly, this fuel injection pump brings noticeable improvements. Engines start more consistently, power delivery is smoother, fuel is used more efficiently, and smoke output is reduced. Over time, that translates into lower operating costs and less strain on the engine. Beyond performance and savings, there's also an environmental angle. Choosing refurbished over brand new means you're reducing waste and supporting sustainability. Instead of sending a used pump to the scrap pile and manufacturing a new one from scratch, refurbishment extends the life of the component. That saves energy and reduces the environmental impact associated